Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello guys, how are you today? I know this is a scary situation, but I hope we all stay calm, stay at home, and stay healthy. So, let me introduce myself. My name is Nia Ulansari. I'm student at Islamic Bandung University. My major is Law of Syariah Economy, Faculty of Syariah. My NPM 10010217030. So, this moment, I will do one of the tests of my lecturer, Mrs. Ipa Hanifah. This test is to explain a journal about financial contract in Islamic mutual funds, and I chose this journal. This journal is entitled Akad Characteristic and Fund Flow in Performance Analysis Panel of International Islamic Fund. This journal contains 21 facts and was written by Abdul Ghafar Ismail and Suhal Kushairi and searched from the Malaysia National University. And this journal consists of introduction, literature review, research model, research result, and conclusion. I will discuss of the contents of the journal. First, introduction. Second, research model. Third, research results. And fourth, synthesis. Okay, first, introduction. Although the Islamic fund has developed in terms of total asset, number of funds, and actually, but the study on Islamic mutual fund is only limited to performance compared with conventional mutual funds. The conventional mutual fund have been explored by some authors regarding measurement methods of performance and some factors which will be expected to influence the performance of mutual funds. The Islamic mutual fund has got specific character that differ from conventional mutual funds. First, Islamic mutual fund does not use interest as return or cost between the Islamic mutual fund whole and fund management, and also between fund management and underlying asset or target company. Second, Islamic mutual fund that does not use interest rate but instead adopt alternatives, namely profit sharing contract mudharabah, profit sharing and loss contract musyarakah, versus and sole transaction murabahah and fee ujrah. Even though not much research has been conducted in Islamic mutual fund market, this area need to be studied further whether there are differences in investor feedback on Islamic mutual fund with conventional mutual fund market that is developed and complex in terms of total asset, number of mutual fund, and the market rule and system or no different exists. The merit of the research relies on the fact that the rapid growth of international Islamic mutual fund, it gives more opportunity for inspectors that be instrument complete with Sharia rule and principle. It also gives the additional alternative method of financial resource for the company. 2. Islamic investor or Islamic mutual fund whole have different value compared with other investor because there are some constraints in making decision of financial asset and real asset. Islamic Sharia does not allow the transaction that involves riba activity, speculation, and transaction of illegal product. Okay, second, research model. Based on the previous literature review, we can define the performance of international Islamic mutual fund is function of the characteristic and fund flows of funds. Characteristic we are redefining using Akad characteristic. The model adoption to test the influence and SIG, where first is the performance, FC is fund characteristic by Akad type, and FF is fund flow. Influence the performance of international Islamic mutual fund, we will use different measurement of performance. Firstly, performance is measured by alpha, applying single model with using different benchmark. Akad characteristic FC is redefined based on the contract between investor and fund management. And fund management and underlying asset in this research, we use three types of akad or contract, namely musyarakah, mudharabah, and murabahah. Akad. The rest of the contract istisna and wakalah is not deep in relationship between fund management and underlying asset or company. Okay, three research result. Islamic Mutual Fund could be classified by type of account adoption by fund management of Islamic Mutual Fund in issuing a particular Islamic Mutual Fund. Account of Islamic Mutual Fund is dummy variable due to the limitation of data. In this research, Islamic Mutual Fund are classified into three types, namely Mudarabah, Murabahah, and Musyarakah. The symbol given for akad mudharabah characteristic is FCMD, murabahah characteristic is FCMR, and musyarakah characteristic is FCMS. Okay, next. It means the influence of the musyarakah akad towards the performance of the International Islamic Mutual Fund is different from the influence of other akads. Difference of influence level of musyarakah akad towards performance under Model 1, where murabahah and mudarabah contract is lower than musyarakah is 0.3 to 9 and 0.1 to 2 respectively. Difference of influence level of musyarakah akad towards performance under Model 2, where murabahah and mudarabah contract is lower than musyarakah is 0.406 and 0.211 respectively. Difference of influence level of musyarakah akad towards performance under Model 3, where murabahah and mudarabah contract is lower than musyarakah is 0.314 and 0.321 respectively. Difference of influence level of musyarakah akad towards performance under Model 4, where murabahah and mudarabah contract is lower than musyarakah is 0.266 and 0.150 respectively. Okay, last synthesa. How about synthesa? As in other study, that each akad in Islam has different characteristic and provision. Therefore, a different akad provide different rights and responsibilities so that they will affect the performance of International Islamic Mutual Fund. Then, how is the influence when akad on Islamic Mutual Fund according to the study? 1. Akad musyarakah used by investment manager has a positive influence on the performance of Islamic Mutual Fund. Musyarakah contract has the highest positive influence among akad for all models. 2. Murabahah akad used by investment manager has a positive influence of the performance of International Islamic Mutual Fund. Mudarabah has a positive influence on Islamic Mutual Fund. Okay, next. It can be seen in this study that three akad has a positive influence on Islamic Mutual Fund, but the difference in characteristic of akad will influence the level of influence on Islamic Mutual Fund. If seen, can be denoted as follow. Akad has higher than higgs and laws that can be seen as follow. Okay guys, all done. Thank you so much to my teacher Mrs. Ipa Hanifah. I'm sorry if a lot of mistakes. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hopefully you enjoy to this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye bye. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.